Hey guys, Do the McCoy here, and today I will be showing you how to set up spawns and conquest flags, sectors, deploy cams for each of your conquest points, how to properly set up bots so they capture points, and also how to use vehicle spawners to get it all scripted and working within your custom map. So make sure to stick around for the video and leave a like if this helps you out. Let's get started. We'll basically want to set up the map how we did last time, moving the combat area, having your HQs set in the correct area, setting up your capture points, but this time we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. You can see here in our team HQ, we have everything set up kind of the same, but we're going to add a deploy cam and a vehicle spawner. Same thing with team 2. We're also going to want to add a sector to add multiple points. This time around for the capture point, we do not need an area trigger. I have my polygon volume, same as before, with a player spawner. Now it seems like you only need one of these. I had one of these set for each capture point, but it doesn't seem like you really need that. It seems like you just need one, and as you can tell here I have A 1 and 2, B 1 and 2, C 1 and 2. A is on team 1 and 2 is on team 2. So you could separate these out into separate teams to make it a little bit easier to see. We also have a AI waypoint path set with a object ID number, and of course all the other capture points with the same. Make sure you set up your capture point, object ID, and if you scroll down here you see tactical advice priority. I seem to have more success with my AI bots running around when I change these from 0 to 2 and 1 for certain objectives. Also make sure to add your spawn points into your capture point as well. Deploy cam doesn't need to be set up in here, it just needs to be underneath your capture point in the node. To do this, if it's outside of your thing like this, you just drag it straight into this and it'll add it. Make sure you set different object IDs for the AI waypoint paths as well as the capture points. Make sure you set up all the spawn points correctly and you should be good. I've noticed a couple of maps aren't working if you create maps in the air. Something seems to be getting messed up with the collision area for the combat area. I'm currently only building maps on Murak Valley or Tungsten. I wasn't able to get my maps to work on Liberation Peak, New Sobek City, and Saints Quarter. So for now, if you're gonna make a map, I would stick to using the terrain that's there. So we're gonna want to remember which object ID number we set for each capture point, as well as each AI waypoint path. And if you add vehicle spawners, you want to do that as well. Now these vehicle spawners that we call out in the script are only going to spawn in once the capture point is captured by a certain team. If you're having issues with your spawn points all saying the same letter, like A, you need to make sure you add them to a sector like this. Name them capture point A, B, and C, and call them out here on the capture points. So we'll jump into the script here. If you come up here to the middle top right section, all that you have to do to get this to work, if you set up everything correctly in Godot, is change your map name here, put in one of your capture points. You can see I did 201, as well as both vehicle spawners for each team. So once these three numbers match what you have in Godot, you're pretty much ready to go. Set up all the rest of your settings. Make sure the first time when you save, I noticed it says, instead of save, it says create new down here. So hit create new or save. And then if it says create new, make sure to save it again, and then it will update on Battlefield. If you're new here, make sure to join the Discord. I'm slowly setting up more stuff for Battlefield Portal, as I have it currently set up for Halo Forge. We've got some scripting stuff, some scripting help, a map submittal area where you can submit your map when it's completed, and a forum section where you can post your issues and we can get you some help. So make sure to join the Discord if you want. Also, shout out to Battlefield Portal Hub. Special thanks to Matt Avatar, Andy, and anyone else for working on this script and getting it ready to go. Well, that's it for today's video. If you like this type of content, like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see in Battlefield Portal, or if you have a map that you want me to check out. And stay tuned for the next video where we go into the scripting and script custom AI path behavior. Alright guys, well, until next time, peace.